Which one of the following spices is obtained from bark of a tree? Cinnamon. What is the study of the effects of radiation on living organisms called? Actinobiology. The leaf that does not have a petiole and is directly attached to the plant stem is called? Sessile leaf. In mammals, the umbilical cord connects the fetus to the placenta. Which one of the following is a Hesperidium type of fruit? Lemon. Which disease is caused by a virus? Influenza. Which pigment is responsible for orange color in carrot? Carotenoids. Which of the following is a behavioral adaptation? Hibernation. Which structural feature reduces water loss in xerophytes? Thick cuticle. Which organ helps birds in grinding food? Gizzard. Which tropism causes roots to grow downward? Geotropism. What is the study of the interaction of living organisms with their surrounding environment called? Ecology.